Looking for an IST airport lounge or wondering what to do during your Istanbul layover? Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for IST. Getting around from IST is easy. The Metro M11 takes you to the city in 40 minutes for about $3. Or grab a rideshare for about $25 in 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours for your layover at Istanbul Airport, you'll stay inside the terminal. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags, then drop your luggage at the storage facility on the arrivals floor. Next, head to the IGA lounge for some rest and refreshments, where you can also grab a shower to freshen up. After that, check out the visitors' terrace for some plane watching before heading back through security for your next flight. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore during your 8-hour layover Istanbul. Clear customs, then hop on the Metro M11 straight to Sultanahmet in the heart of the historic district. Visit the stunning Blue Mosque with its iconic blue tile work, then marvel at Hagia Sophia's exterior. Grab lunch at Sultanahmet Köftecisi for authentic Turkish meatballs. Then take the metro back to catch your flight. 16 hours? That's a full day in Istanbul during your layover in Istanbul. After customs, metro into Sultanahmet, and start with the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia. Next, explore the ancient Basilica Cistern underground chambers. Grab a traditional Turkish lunch, then head to the Grand Bazaar for shopping in one of the world's oldest covered markets. Take a sunset Bosphorus cruise to see the city from the water, then enjoy a proper Turkish dinner before heading back. You'll experience the best of both continents in one incredible Istanbul airport layover. Budget breakdown. 4 hours cost nothing if you use the free sleep pods and terrace. 8 hours runs about $16 with transit and lunch, and the full-day adventure comes to $36, including all transit meals and the cistern entry. A few tips. First, get your Turkish e-visa online before you arrive to save time at immigration. Second, the complimentary sleep pods at IST are a hidden gem for quick rest. Third, download Google Translate offline because English is limited outside tourist areas. Planning at Istanbul layover? Full guide at yopki.com, link below.